Show you how I do my sound. I use GarageBand. Click on New Project. What you want to do is you want to select Voice. Okay, choose. Save it where you can find it. Okay, here we go. Put it up for you. Okay. Let's delete. I like to use the basic male voice. This is how you delete a track. Just go delete track. Let's say delete track. Okay. You can always add a track by plus, real instrument, just like what we did before. Create. No effects. Go up here. Go to vocals. Then go to male voice, male speech, male mouse voice, male speech, male basic voice. There you go. Now we're back to where we began. Okay, so basically click on record and record what you need to record. This is a testing for YouTube. This is a testing for YouTube. On my video, I use the female voice because it's more in liking to my character. So stop. Okay. So let's hear it. This is a testing for YouTube. This is a testing for YouTube. Okay. If you hear some crackling in the background, what I like to do is I like to click on, see how browse over here? We go click on edit, click on noise gate. Then do your noise gate down to how you like it. My video, I use the female voice for enlightening my character. So noise gate works to take out some of the background, but nothing beats clean audio. Maybe it'll help also to get a microphone. I don't have a microphone because I can't afford one. That's why I'm trying to get 1,000 views, 1,000 subscribers to my YouTube site so I can start my Patreon. So please help me out there. So to export this out, you want to export it out as an AIFF, which is an uncompressed file format. So go share. There's no file export in here. Go file, go share, export song to disk. Do not select this. If you select this, it's going to be a compressed version, MP3 and ACC, okay? Take this out and go export. And export it out to where you want to. So that's how I do my sound. Then we import this into Character Animator, which is next. Back in Character Animator. Now we're going to import your voice that you just created in GarageBand, your AIFF file. File, that's QuickTime Player. There's Character Animator. File, import, and import your voice. Okay, I already did that. My voice was sequence 3, kisses, AIFF. Drag that down here like this to this part. Okay. Let me push this up for you. Okay. So there it is right there. Now, shoot. Let me put this down. Okay. Go to record. Or go to scene. Go to where your scene is. And be on record too. While it's spinning, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers so I can start my Patreon, so I can buy a faster computer. Okay, preparing scene. And okay, sequence.
What you doing?
Okay. Now, before he can talk, you need to click on your puppet from here, not the green screen, and go up to timeline, compute lip sync from scene audio. And that's how the computer character animator will do the voices. My computer is going very slow, so that's how I do it. The same thing with the green screen if you haven't gotten that yet. Make a green screen the size of your screen and just drag your screen down and manipulate the layers. Okay? So that's how you do that. I'll see you in the next video. We begin the Adobe Premiere stuff. I forgot to show you how to export your video out of Character Animator. Go to File, Export via Media Encoder. Media Encoder should open up. Oh, before it does that, I guess it wants you to save it. So go save it to where you need to. Test save. Preferably, you want to save it in your same folder. I'm just going to save it on the desktop. Okay. Media Encoder should open up. Mine is opening up in another window, so I can't show you, well, you don't need to see software opening up. Okay, well, there we go. And nothing to it. Just, it's right here. Make sure the thing is on H.264 unless you're at work or your boss tells you to use something else. H.264, match source, which simply means it's going to match the character animator. This is where you're going to save it at. You want to press on it if you want to like save it in a separate place, and just press here. Okay, and that's it. I'm not going to press here because it'll take a long time for me to make another video. So I'll see you in the next video in Adobe Premiere, where we will import this MP4 that you created from Character Animator into Adobe Premiere. See you in the next video. Thanks. In Adobe Premiere, go into File and import your Character Animator MP4. I've already did it. And this is it right here. Okay. Drag that to your sequence window. There you go. You notice now that it is on top of everything else. Double click on it so you can see it, and you can scale it down to any size you want. Then you can move it to where you need it to be. Approximately right here, I guess. It all depends on your character, of course. Okay. So now we want to get rid of the green. So go to Effects, Video Effects. Let me close it out for you. Video Effects, Keying, Ultra Key. Okay. So where is it? Here it is right here. Okay. Drag the Ultra Key over to your video. Now go up to Effects Controls. In case it's not activated, see, go to click Effects Control. Go to Ultra Key. It could be down like this. Open up Ultra Key. Then Key Color. Right now it's on black. Select on it. Click on the green, and there you go. Press play.
Oh, what you watching? Science fiction man kisses. Man kiss?
Okay, so that's that. Oh, I'm not going to save. Before we end this video, let me show you one last thing. I want to show you how to export your final project from Premiere, because it's different than Character Animator. Go File, Export, Media. Okay. It's important to change this sequence in and out to entire sequence. You want to export everything, not just the AIFF, which is the audio. So use H.264. Okay. Change your output name if you want to. Okay. Put it where you want. Just check your settings again. Export video, export audio. Make sure that the 1920 by 1080 is okay. The rate 29.97 video. Okay. After that, you just click export. I'm not going to click export because I've already exported out, but that's the end. We went from Adobe Illustrator to Character Animator to a little bit of sound advice to Adobe Premiere Pro CC. So I hope this helps you out. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get 1,000 followers so I can start my Patreon. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get 1,000 followers so I can start my Patreon. The next video after this, I'm going to show you the whole thing. All right, thanks a lot.